First, log into your Batchleads account once you're in. Navigate to the SMS Campaign section. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to directly connect with your leads via text message. To begin, click on the Create New Campaign button. This will initiate the campaign setup process. You'll be guided through a series of intuitive steps to ensure your campaign is perfectly tailored. Now, let's talk about reaching the right people. Batchleads makes list segmentation a breeze. You can filter your leads based on various criteria like tags, property interests, or past interactions. This ensures your message lands in front of those most likely to convert. Choose your desired segment or create a new one if needed. Next, it's time to craft your message. Enter a clear and concise campaign name for easy identification. Then, write your SMS content. Remember to personalize your messages using Batchleads merge tags, like the lead's first name. For a more engaging touch, keep your messages compliant with SMS regulations. Think concise, value-driven, and include an opt-out option. Before launching, you can choose to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Optimizing engagement based on your audience's activity. Review your segment, your message, and your timing carefully. Once your campaign is live, Batchleads provides real-time tracking. Monitor your campaign's performance through our intuitive dashboard. You'll see crucial metrics like delivery rates, response rates, and even leads generated, allowing you to analyze what's working and optimize for future campaigns. Unlock the potential of targeted SMS marketing to reach your ideal customers.